Waiting for to get to the tie ride and switch out.
It look like you got a problem down there.
I got a problem. Easy to be fixed though.
Can you tell everybody where you at today?
Man, we at Carter's today, baby.
What's going on, mud family? You already know this is your boy, Fresh Gentleman 3. Yeah, I'm back with the live and the lady. You already know what time it is. Well, it is tug of war time. We had fun out there at Carterfest this year. Everybody was tugging. It was a blast. You already know your boy, Fresh Gentleman 3 had to capture all that. And you know, I can't hold you no longer. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and cut on that bell for all posts and notifications. Cause it's 3 of these this year, and I'm out.
Oh, what we got going on right here today?
We fixing to snatch what we don't even know what we're pulling against.
And that's the part that I like. But what's the outcome gonna be?
Oh, wait, the Ford is gonna take it that way. You seen the size of my truck nuts, didn't you?
I've seen that. It's good to see you today,
Yes,
brother. All right. Oh man, what you finna get ready to do?
Hey, boy.
What you finna do to it?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Ready? On your mark, get set, go! Alright.
What'd you say that was?
That's a Ford.
Huh? What did it do to you?
It pulled me, man.
I know what you mean, man. Oh, you know you had it on your mind, man. What you do to him?
Ford tough, buddy.
Oh man, you got something on your mind. What's on your mind?
I'm gonna burn these bitches off.
Hey, well he says back there he got a plan for you. What's your plan for him?
Letter 8.
Where you at today, brother?
Carter's Off-Road Park.
Alright, man, it's good to see you.
Sir.
Man, you had a question about who you going against. I want to know how you feel about this race.
I feel fine.
What you think you finna do to it?
I don't know. I don't even know what I'm tugging against yet.
How you feeling today?
Feeling good about this. Feeling real good.
What you think we finna do?
Well, Can-Am against Blair's. That's pretty much a no contest.
Oh, you already know I like that. Man, what you finna get ready to do with this?
Nothing. Lose my ass.
I know what you mean. Oh, we got a little one. How you doing today, man?
Good.
What you finna get ready to do?
Tow this dude.
All right, man. It's good to see you.
Good to see you.
All right, 3, 2, 1, tug.
And I don't know if we got some help over here, but we got something. What is this, like father, like son?
Yes, sir.
All right, well, what you finna have him do? What you gonna have him do?
We're gonna have them send it the whole way, no matter what.
Which way we going, though?
That way.
All right. Man, I don't want to give you that message, but they got something on their mind back there when he got on the back of there back there.
2, 1, tug.
It's a pretty
do?
She wants that trophy.
She want what?
She wants that trophy.
How much is the trophy?
I don't know.
Hey, you just want it.
We want it.
Which part of the trophy you want? The money or the trophy?
The trophy.
Alright, where y'all at today?
We Hot Springs, down here at Carter.
Alright, man, it's good to see you.
Up.
Alright. Man, it look like you got a crowd in here. God, this is a party. What we finna get ready to do?
Fix to drag some ass.
Alright, well, we finna check it out.
In 3, 2, 1.
Go.
All right, in 3, 2, 1.
Go. Zach got 4-wheel drive?
A clean machine. Where you from, man?
Illinois, man.
It look good.
Oh, this is Gabby's. Gabriella Hanley's.
Oh yeah, where she at? Is she all right?
Yeah, she's right over there.
Alright, what you finna do with her buggy today?
We're gonna drag that Polaris back.
I know what you mean, man. Where you at today?
Carter's Off-Road.
Alright, it's good to see you, brother. What we finna get into over here, brother?
What's up?
What y'all finna get ready to get into?
Hey, we're doing the tug of war.
Where you gonna take them to?
Hey, we're about to take him down yonder.
I know what yonder is.
What's up, brother?
Where y'all at today?
Hey,
Where y'all at today?
hey, we're at Carter's.
Well, look out, man. What's going on, man?
Not much. How you been?
I'm good, man. Can you tell everybody where you at today?
We're at Carter's, man. We're Carterfest. Come on, come join us.
Alright, man. It's good to see you today.
Hey, bro.
Will they make it all the way? Oh, it's